Do you believe more privatization is the answer to solving this crisis? And what would that look like?
Yeah, I think we have this very narrow point of view around privatization here in Canada. Unfortunately, privatization has been vilified as this terrible, terrible endpoint. And people always point to the United States, where people who don't have the means to get private insurance are denied care. And I think that's one example out of the entire world, and it's not the example that we should be looking at. So when you look globally around the world, every single developed world nation, you want to look at France, Germany, Switzerland, Sweden, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, every single other developed world nation has universal healthcare like we have, and they have a hybrid system that also includes private care. And every single one of those countries has better stats than our country in terms of access, and actually even better stats around equity. So the equity of care, the fairness with which those people of greater means can access care versus those people with lesser means. In fact, Canada doesn't even do well in terms of equity. So my answer to that question is not, should we have more privatization? Should we have less privatization? My answer is, let's look at what is working better in the rest of the developed world. And let's look at what we're doing, which is we are the only country in the Western developed world that does not allow private care. And let's actually look at the results of those two systems, and let's emulate what seems to be working better than our own system.